Here's a quick video on how to open the tailgate of Chevy Avalanche with a broken latch. This is a very common problem. As you can see, nothing happens. It's unlocked, but the door doesn't open. If you lift this, there is a way to reach that plastic part that's holding the rod, the long rod that goes all the way to the end of the tailgate that locks it. If you pull that, you can open it. So I'm going to try to do that. In my case, the long rod that is pulled by the latch has come undone. It came out of that plastic part that holds it. So I have to grab the rod with a needle nose to pull it and open it. Okay, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. I can see it. I grabbed it with the needle nose and tried to pull it. I think I opened it. Okay, let's try again. Didn't work. Okay, I think I finally got it. You can see the screws that are holding the latch. The two small ones are T30 and the three big ones are T40, which is the actual latch. Okay, here's the cover that's coming loose. I guess there are two plastic parts down there that go into these holes, and you just pull on those and get it out. With the cover off, you can clearly see what has gone wrong here. This actually came out of that plastic clip. The other side seems to be fine. Okay. Right there. That part seems to be fine. Neither one of them work. Okay, I'm gonna go take the latch off. See, I need to get that plastic clip off of that rod on the left side to be able to take the latch off and put a new latch in. Okay, that plastic clip is off. Now the latch is completely loose and can come off. It's a little bit hard to see with one hand, but I'll try to get it off. There we go. It's out now. I found the all-metal upgraded latch that doesn't have plastic parts anymore, so these are all metal compared to plastic in the old one. So this is supposed to be better. And the clips on this one are a little bit better and easier to put on, I think. Let's try it. This was very painful, but both clips are in, the red one and a pink one, I guess. And now I can bolt down the latch the way it was. Let's try opening it with the new latch now. Let's see. Okay, it's working good. Locking mechanism works. So when you turn the lock with the key, this goes up and then kind of disables those rods. When you pull on it, the rods don't pull. Then when you unlock it, when you unlock it, it opens the door. Okay, all done now. It opens and locks perfectly.